guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I wanted to show y'all how to make a Michael Jackson t-shirt. You know it's his birthday today, so you know I had to show you how to make a t-shirt. I found these images on I think it was Etsy. They have all types of images, so I figured I would use these two. So I want to mirror this one, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a rhinestone stencil for the middle, and I'm going to put MJ with a crown on the top of the J. So I'm going to cut these two out, and I'm thinking a silver glitter, and then I'm going to cut out the stencil for the MJ, and we'll come back and you'll see me weave them. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, I truly appreciate it. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So let's get started. Alright guys, we are here at the weeding table. Only thing, I forgot to do a test cut. So I cut it a little deeper than I wanted to because I have a new blade. So guys, always remember to do a test cut so you won't have no problem weeding. But we still gonna get this bad boy done. Remember, this time I did a test cut. You see that? That's a test cut. Which I should have did for the Michael Jackson images. And see how this weeds out so much better. Look at that. Perfect. That's what happens when you do a test cut. Cut this off because we could use this little piece for something else. See? And there we have it. Alright, now guys, we want to weed out the, not weed it, but pull this stencil out for the rhinestones. Our MJ. Wow. Look at that, guys. That is a perfect weed. Now what we are going to do, we are going to brush in our rhinestones. You pour a lot over top. It's best to pour a lot because the stones fall in a little better. Want to go in like a circle motion to get those rhinestones into those little tiny holes. Once you think all the rhinestones are in the hole, you just brush it off on a slant. I always go on a slant motion. If you see one missing, just bring a couple of more stones over top of that hole and then just brush it off. I do it kind of lightly so I don't knock any stones out. You see how I'm doing it? You just go into a circular motion. That's how you brush the stones in. And remember guys, if one is missing, like that one right there, I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. You bring a little pile of stones over, go in the circular, and then you just brush it. Brush it off to the side. But once you do it for a while, you'll get the feel of it. I don't like brush it real hard, y'all. Take it lightly. Okay. Alright, hot fix tape to pick up the rhinestones, separate it. Remember, you have to put it down kind of fast because we have a lot of static in Philly, so sometimes our stones flip over. I'll put it in a U shape and push it down. There you go. And I rub over top of it. When you rub over top of it, those rhinestones are touching this hot fix tape, so it can lift up the rhinestones. And just lift it up kind of slowly because you're going to make sure all them stones is on this hot fix tape, which we have them all. Take that carrier sheet, lay it down on top. There you have our MJ. And we're going to put the crown over top of that. All right, let's get the pressing. All right, guys, we are going to preheat the shirt and the arm, and then we are going to press the rhinestones on the arm. And there you have it, the MJ. All right, I decided to cut the two Michael Jackson image apart because they was a little bit too close. And I was thinking about putting one a little higher than the other. You know, make the t-shirt a little different. So what you think about that, guys? Also, if you like this t-shirt, please leave me a comment in the box below. I truly appreciate it. And let me know some more ideas you would like for me to make. All right, that is done being pressed. Take this carry sheet off. Now we're going to do the rhinestones. I'll put our MJ, I think right about there. And rhinestones for about 15 seconds. And then we will be done doing this Michael Jackson glitter vinyl and rhinestone t-shirt. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Remember, hugs and kisses. Alright guys, I just wanted y'all to meet Smokey cousin, Israel. We call him Izzy. I've been watching him all week for my niece. Them two had a wonderful time this week.
Sorry ass DJ.